Hello and welcome back to another exciting session. I'm your host Mahesh Karya. You're watching me on YouTube now, and today I'm gonna take you through how to deploy your Node app to your Azure. So, without wasting any time, let's deep dive into it. So, you have to create a new Azure account. If you don't have it already, you can register with your new email address, and this is it. After that, you just need a normal node project. So I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to name it Azure. After that, you simply need to drag your folder on the top of your VS code, and this is it. After that, all the projects that we are going to create here inside this thing. Okay, so I just need to create a node app. Inside that, I'm going to open my terminal, and I need to load bash profile quickly. So source bash profile, you don't need to worry about this thing. Okay, after that, what we can do is I need to change directory to node app, and I'll use npm init -y, and I need to install npm install express. So this is it. Until then, what we can do is we can quickly create our index.js file over here. So after that, inside package.json as well, we need to update the script of start, and here I'll simply write node index, of course, and this is it. And we'll write normal hello world program over here. So normal const express equals to require express, const app is equal to express. After that, we'll be having const app.get request response, and we'll simply return res.json hello world message. This is it. Okay, now you can use app.listen, and inside here you can use process.env.port if you want, and I'll simply use port 80 otherwise. Okay, this is it. This is a normal program, we can say. So here also we can check once again node index, and better we can use npm start. So I need to save this file, of course. So npm start quickly. So you can see the start script is the spelling mistake I have made up, so I just need to quickly recheck. So yeah, this is working fine. So what we can do is we can simply close these things, and if we have this Azure tools, okay, you can search for Azure, and you can install the required packages, guys, from here. So you need to install this extension pack, which is a combination of another 12 packages. Okay, once you have it, after that you don't need to worry about anything else. You need to connect this thing with your Azure account. Okay, you just need to log in, that's it. Nothing much actually. After that, you can see all the functions, app services, storage, everything that you can do from here, and this is really very cool. You can do anything on a single click. So most of the things that I really like about this feature is if I right click here and if I simply click here on deploy to web app, so what it will do is it will ask me for the create new web app. Okay, otherwise it will list all the previous things, so I just need to create a new web app, and after that you can name it whatever it may be. So it should be globally unique, of course. So which I need to select a random name. Let's say QWER. Okay. Okay, it's already there. Let's use codec. Okay, it's fine. I'll choose MRCD, something like that. So this is unique. Okay, so I just need to hit enter, and after that you can choose you can either deploy .NET Python app as well and Node app as well. It's all up to you. PHP is also there. Okay, Ruby is also there, Java. So these are all the options. So I'll go with the NodeJS latest version, After that, you can choose the pricing according to your deployment. You might be working in production mode, so you can select the appropriate version from here. I'll stick to F1 for no cost. Okay, once you click here, the process will automatically start. Okay, you need to wait for this whole process. It's a kind of Docker containerizing thing. So this is a normal it will create a Docker image and container. After that, it will deploy automatically, and it will the pop-up will appear over here to open your website. Okay, so this is it. This is all the thing that like this is all that we need to do. So it was the very easiest process to deploy the normal Node.js app. After that, if you want to deploy like databases, you can create the databases from here, and lots of other things, lots of cool things that you can use from here. So it's all up to you. So it was the simplest process that I have told you guys. And apart from that, if you don't have the Azure account already, so what you can do is, so see, you will get the this pop-up, so you can choose yes. So the benefit of this thing is every time that you will deploy, it will automatically deploy to MRCD. So I'm going to choose yes. Okay, it's all up to you. You can skip as well, but let's go with the yes. And if I click here on output window, so you can see all the npm install and containerizing thing that you can see here, all the logs. Okay, so this is cool. After that, if you don't have account, you can simply click here on Azure free account, and you will be up and running quickly. So you just need to enter credit card, and this is it. I guess it won't like you don't need to worry about charges. So you will get $200, okay, to spend for 12 months, of course. And after that, you need to pay, or you can choose pay as you go plan as well. So let's wait for this to finish. Okay, I know I'm not going to pause this video. I want to show you guys like how exactly a time we need required. Okay, so yeah, you can see you can stream logs, you can click here browse website. So once you get this thing, so we get this domain, you can see guys, mrcd.azurewebsite.net. That's why I was choosing name was so you can see this is the normal hello world. Okay, this is deployed, and if I make some changes over here, and if I try to deploy this again, okay, and let's say I'm going to deploy this thing again once again. So what it will do is it will deploy to same mrcd. Okay, the pop-up will appear. You can deploy this from here. Okay, the process is started, and quickly that you will get this icon once again like pop up. After that, if we refresh this thing, you can see the changes that you will get quickly over here. So this is all guys, this is all we have to do. Okay, if you have portal, then you can make changes, you can assign your custom domain name and lots of other cool things. Okay, so this is all. So thank you very much all of you guys for being with me, supporting me all the time. It's been pleasure to be here, and please let me know inside comment box what you want from my side. Definitely I'll make more awesome videos such like that, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please hit the like button if you really enjoyed. So thank you so much guys, have a great day.